Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this perfect, delicious, refreshing lemon iced tea recipe. So let's get straight into it. Alright you guys, so this is the tea that I'll be using. It's one of my favorite black teas. It's so good. It's also good by itself, just plain straight up black tea. It has like a citrus note in the back to me anyway, and it comes out really well once you make this recipe. But of course you can use the tea that you prefer. It's up to you. I'm using spring water because that's what I got, child. So once I get everything together, I'm going to put the water on to boil before I even put the tea bags into my cup because, you know, everything takes time. Y'all know I'll be multitasking. So once I get the water nice and good and ready to go, I'm going to start putting my tea bags into this cup because I don't like making tea in my pots. You know what I'm saying? So I prefer to put it in like these cups that I have. Y'all, I had this cup for almost 10 years now. I got it from an anime convention when I moved to Texas. And it's so sturdy. Like, I just bought it. Like, it's crazy. So you want to add your hot water to your tea bags. I have about 8 to 10 tea bags here. No, 8. I have 8 tea bags here. And you want to fill it up and allow it to seep. Okay, until it can't seep no more. Okay, get it nice and seeped at least 30 minutes. And also for it to cool down. So right here, as you can see, I'm holding everything together to keep it nice and together and, you know, not spilling out everywhere. And you just want to squeeze at it a little bit to get, you know, the remaining tea out of the bags and, you know, so that you don't have any waste. And y'all, I'm making this tea. I make juice every single week, as a matter of fact, because Texas is giving hell, child. It is hot. This is the lemon squeezer I'll be using. It's the big hefty one that I that I have because sometimes, child, I got tired of fighting with the bigger lemons with the small ones. So I have 2 of them, and I'm using the big one today because, baby, the fact that these steroid lemons were in the store was crazy, and that's all they had available. So to my pitcher, I'm going to fill it up halfway with some water because, you know, the first mixture was concentrated. So you want to now fill your pitcher halfway with water, just like this. And then now I'm going to start squeezing my lemons down in here. You can also use limes, but I recommend lemons, okay? Or the bare minimum, an orange, child. Okay, but you want to squeeze them down in there. As you can see, my big lemon squeezer is just getting it nice and good, and you can tell the lemons are huge too because you see the big old squeezer. Y'all, I don't know what they're doing to our food. I'm being silly, but for real, those lemons were just ridiculous. They were ridiculous. So I used about a lemon and a half because they were very juicy and very big. So I didn't need a lot. But in hindsight, if your lemons are regular, you need at least 4 to 5 lemons to get all that juice out. So now I'm going to grab my sugar bucket. I know all y'all got some type of sugar bucket in your house. Don't laugh at mine. And I'm going to put my sugar down in here. It's totally up to you how sweet or less sweet you want yours. I'm using cane sugar, and I used about 2/3 cup of sugar. It sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Okay. And I'm going to set that to the side. And now I'm going to add the concentrated tea down in here. And look how beautiful that looks. Like, I can't. Look how beautiful. It was so refreshing to you guys. I really hope you guys give it a try. But you want to mix this up well, get all the sugar nice and dissolved. And, you know, this is perfect for your picnic or if you have a gathering or anything you got going on. Just don't add ice to it. Don't add ice to it. Let your people get their cup of ice and pour it up like I'm about to pour it up right here. So I have my cups of ice with just lemon pieces down in here. And look at the color. I want y'all to see the color. If that don't look just like the iced tea on a box. But yeah, this is how it looked, you guys, and it was so good. If you have any other drink suggestions or recipes you would like to see me make, non-alcoholic, of course, you know. Oh, by the way, you guys, I am 30 days clean from alcohol. We're going to see how long I can keep this up, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.